Hello class, today we will revise our chapter Forest and Wildlife in India. So in this chapter we are going to revise what is a forest, types of forest, uses of forest and conservation of forest and wildlife. So see, resources in India, forest and wildlife. So types of forest in India, so there are basically 5 types of forest in India. They are evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn forest, tidal forest and mountain forest. Now conservation of forest. Stop soil erosion, check deforestation, recycle products, reduce the use of product made from trees. Now see wildlife in India, all animals, birds, insects that live in their natural habitat or the wild are known as wildlife. India has a variety of wildlife. Now see conservation of wildlife, save animals from extinction, protect animals from poachers. Government of India has established national park and wildlife sanctuaries. Now types of forest in India. So I told you there are 5 types of forest in India: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorn forest, tidal forest and mountain forest. Now evergreen forest, ये फॉरेस्ट ज़्यादातर नॉर्थ ईस्ट रीजन में होते हैं ऑन द स्लोप्स ऑफ वेस्टर्न घाट्स एंड अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड. Deciduous forest in India, deciduous forests are found along the foothills of the Himalayas and some part of Peninsula Plateau. Some of our key states include Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and parts of Maharashtra. Now, thorn forest. These forests are mostly found in the desert area of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Tidal forest. These forests are found in the Ganga Brahmaputra Delta in West Bengal. Is covered with tidal forest are called Sundarbans. Sundari tree is very common in this region. Now see mountain forest. These forests are found in the higher region of the Himalayas. Now conservation of forest. As you all know, forests are very important for us. जितनी भी वाइल्ड लाइफ है वो फॉरेस्ट में रहती है पूरी, और वाइल्ड लाइफ हमें बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. फॉरेस्ट हमें कितनी चीज़ें, हाँ, मेडिसिन्स, वुड, तरीके की और भी चीज़ें सब देते हैं, और जितने भी एनिमल्स वगैरह हैं वो सब उनमें ही रहते हैं. अगर हम उसको कट करेंगे और सारे फॉरेस्ट धीरे धीरे जब ख़त्म हो जाएंगे तो ह्यूमन बीइंग का सर्वाइव करना भी बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. नाउ देयर शुड बी 3 आर दैट वी शुड फॉलो ऑलवेज. दे आर रिड्यूस, रीयूज एंड रिसाइकल. Now conservation of forest. Forest can be conserved by afforestation, that means planting of more trees, preventing or reducing deforestation, by setting up wildlife sanctuaries, national park, biosphere reserves, etc. Undertaking social forestry program like Van Mahotsav, Chipko movement for planting and protecting trees on a large scale. Now wildlife in India. All animals, birds and insects that live in their natural habitat or the wild are known as wildlife. India has a large variety of wildlife. Now conservation of forest, biosphere reserve, national park and wildlife sanctuaries. Thank you.